Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see that how to install the Xampp server. Actually, this is the first PHP video of my channel. So we will learn how the Xampp server is installed for run the PHP programs. Then we will see how to write the first PHP program that is executed in the Xampp server. So let's start with installing the Xampp server. For that, I have downloaded the Xampp server from the open. As you know that we know that the Xampp server is an open source server, so we can download it from the net. I have used the site php.net is the official website for the PHP, and it's free of cost. You can also download this server from this website. I have already downloaded the Xampp server here for 32-bit, or you can download it for 64-bit systems. First, we will double click on the Xampp server for installing it. After the double click of the Xampp server, then click on the yes button. Then setup is executed here. We will do only next. Xampp server programming language and the tools. Then click on the next, and then you can select the location that where you want to store in your setup or your Xampp server. So by default, destination folder is a C drive and a Xampp. So I didn't change it. I installed it here. So it started installing the Xampp server. During this installation, as you can see that it extracted all the necessary files that are required to download the PHP or the Xampp server. Here you can see that the installation is about to complete. It will take few seconds nearly. Yes, that after the installation, this window will appear here. You do not do anything. It will automatically closed. Then completed the Xampp server, and you should click the button finish. It says that you can manage all the server with the Xampp control panel. Do you want to start the control panel now? If I select here, then it shows the control panel where we can start the server whatever we want. I have clicked the yes button. Then the control panel will be displayed here. As you can see that this is the Xampp control panel. Here are the Apache server, FileVisa, Mercury, Tomcat. There are lots of servers. Whatever server you want, you can start here. MySQL is a SQL or database that you can use for database connectivity. I have start all the things that is going here and just minimize it. Because if you close it, then all the servers are getting closed and no work will be performed after that. So when the control panel is open, do not close the button or start all the servers and then minimize the button. And after the installation of the Xampp server, you can see these files as we have installed in the C drive. C drive, you can see here the Xampp. That means it is installed in the C drive. When I double clicked here, these are the folders that have installed after installing the Xampp server. And the one folder that we have used for our files is the htdocs. Htdocs, when we click here, then all the files that we have created should be stored here or should be stored here in a Xampp. So our path should be Xampp, htdocs and Xampp. Then you can create your own folders and save your files using the extension .php.